Welcome to the PXI SMU Bundle Overview. If you care about reading from multiple instruments, automating your measurements, or software-defined functionality, this is for you. We're going to walk through what comes in the box when you order this bundle, and then we'll take a quick look at how you can interactively take measurements with NI's free software Instrument Studio. This bundle is based on a 5-slot PXIe 1083 chassis, which you can connect to and control from your laptop through a Thunderbolt cable, which is also included. The bundle also includes a PXI source measure unit, or SMU, and depending on what model number you select, it could have up to 40 watts power range, up to 10 amps pulsed current range, and current sensitivity as low as 100 femtoamperes. The PXI SMU's key features include high power pulsing with limited heatsink infrastructure and high channel density. With the PXI SMU bundle, you get a high-performance SMU in a PXI chassis, but you also get 4 empty slots to later introduce other instruments like scopes, DMMs, signal generators, or more. The PXI backplane makes it easier to synchronize these instruments by sharing timing and trigger signals. The bundle will also include a back shell for I/O connectivity, and depending on the part number selected, a power cord to power on your system. So let's take a quick look at how you can interactively measure signals from your SMU with NI's free software, Instrument Studio. So Instrument Studio is a free software that helps you interact with your instruments without having to program or to code. Right here on my screen, I have Instrument Studio open with a simulated SMU, so I'm not actually connected to anything. But you can see the different modes that you can select, from charting mode, you can do waveform mode, you can also do a single channel sweep or even 2-channel sweep if you have more than one SMU or more than one channel. Just to show you what it looks like, we're going to stick with charting mode for now. As you can see, it's kind of intuitive to use. You have these drop-down menus to set your settings, these controls, so let's try it out. Let's set an output of 10 volts here. Let's turn it on and run, and voila, you have an output going. You could also interactively change it as it's running, so let's drop down the voltage. And if you had more channels, you can turn these on as well and work with them all on the same screen. Speaking of the same screen, if you had more instruments, different instruments, you can also interact with all of them on one screen, which is great. And if you'd like to programmatically automate your measurements, you can do that by buying LabVIEW or by using one of our API drivers for other languages like Python, C, C#, .NET, and others. Alternatively, program or don't based on your task with a Test Workflow bundle. Test Workflow is a bundle of software that includes LabVIEW and other software that can help you build automated test systems, build web applications to access your test remotely, as well as visualize and analyze your data interactively. So, if you're looking for an SMU, but also need to automate or take repeated or multi-instrument measurements, the PXI SMU bundle is a good place to get started. You're not limited by vendor-defined configuration, and you can manage change without having to buy a whole new instrument. Click the link below to check out the bundle prices and learn more. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. And if you'd like to programmatically automate your measurements, you can do that by buying LabVIEW or by using one of our API drivers for Python, C, C#, and other languages. Alternatively, program or don't based on your task with the Test Workflow bundle. Test Workflow is a bundle which includes LabVIEW and other software that can help you build automated test systems, build web applications to access your test remotely, as well as visualize and analyze your data interactively. So, if you're looking for an SMU, but also need to automate or take repeated or multi-instrument measurements, the PXI SMU bundle is a good place to get started. You're not limited by vendor-defined configuration, and you can manage change without having to purchase a whole new instrument. Thanks for watching.
I was just reading the words.
Okay.
Checking what I heard.
Yeah.